Hello guys, in this video we want to look at some algebraic expressions, theory questions and answers for some algebraic expressions. So today we have this example which is saying without using calculator we have to find q if 3q plus 13 squared is equal to 16 squared. So let's go ahead and look at how we find the solution to this problem. So I write down my solution here. Okay, so let me use blue to do the work. All right, so the expression I have is 3q plus 13 squared is equal to 16 squared. Now if you look at this, you realize that we have 3q, which is a number and a variable multiplying each other. Then we have 13 squared equal to, then at the other side we have 16 squared. So the first thing we do over here is we group like term. We group like terms, which means the numbers should be at one side and then the number with the variable should also be at one side. So in this case 3q is a number with a variable, so we leave it where it is and then we send the 13 squared to the other side of the equal to sign. So I maintain my 3q here, then I bring my equal to sign, then I bring the 16 squared, then the positive 13 squared over here, I send it, move it from here to this side, so it becomes negative 13 squared. Okay, now if I look at the expression I have over here, 16 squared minus 13 squared is in the form of a squared minus b squared, which we can say is difference of two squares. So to expand difference of two squared, we will have a plus b multiplied by a minus b. That is the simple expansion you can give for this. So once we know that this can be expressed in this form, it makes our work very easy. So we maintain our 3q here, but over here we'll express it as difference of two squares. So I'll have here 16 minus 13 multiplied by 16 plus 13. That is what I am going to have. So I still have my 3q over here is equal to 16 minus 13 will give me 3 over here. So multiplied by 16 plus 13, this will give me 29. Okay, so I have 3 multiplied by 29. So I still have my 3q here is equal to 3 multiplied by 29 will give me 87. So I have 87 over here. So now let me continue over here. Now I have 3q is equal to 87. Now for me to find my q, which the question is asking me to find, I need to make sure it stands alone. To do that, I have to divide both sides by the coefficient of the q, which in this case is 3. So I'll divide both sides by 3. The 3 here will cancel the 3 here. So I have q is equal to 87 divided by 3, and that will give me 29 as my answer. So therefore, the value for q in this particular algebraic expression is 29. Okay, so this is the solution to the SSCE 1994 question number 1b. Question number 1b. This is the solution to the theory question for this particular year on algebraic expressions. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be talking about more algebraic expressions and how to solve or simplify them. Bye bye.